This is BB Venture. I'm here to train you on how to use your crinoline to build your hat on your straw or your mold crown. You need your crown that you have mold or straw cap. You need your crinoline, 3 yards for this green color and 3 yards for the lemon. You need your gum, your scissors, your tape rule. This is the cap I'm going to build on. I'm going to build this up with crinoline. Allow it to stretch. Then take your crinoline, remove the thread at the edge of it. This thread, remove it. You draw it small like this. Then you can cut it out. And you can do the same to this crinoline too. Now the first thing you do is that fold your crinoline into 2 like this. Take your cap. Do you see it? The down. Make sure the 2 mouths that folds together is up, while the down is the beginning of that you are going to use to design the art. The first thing I'm going to do now is to tie the mouth of this crinoline. Fold it together. I use my needle and thread to tie it. You can see it. To bring it to the front. This is you tack it there. Shift it down like this. Then bring it to the front and join it with this one. I've joined the 2 ends at the front there with my needle and thread. See, the front, I've joined the 2 mouths together. You can use your wax candle to hold this, the first crinoline at the back here, but you can tack it. But I will put my gum just small at the back, or use your wax candle, or you can tack it. The reason for that is to hold it down, to hold it down. I will be building the cap with my crinoline from here up. Bring the hands to the front. Let it join at the front here. Then tack it. This is the second step. We use it to cover this one. You can see it. You can put your gum again or your wax candle to hold it at the back. The top step, I'm going to turn it down. I will turn, see, I used to do it up, but now I'm going to use this one to cover I'll turn it down. Is the third step. Let it meet at the front again. And see, that is the third step. This is the remaining one. I'm going to cut it from here. And use my hand to arrange it. This is the one that I have used my crinoline to design. Then I'm going to place my lemon crinoline on it. Remember that I said I'm using 6 years of crinoline to build this art. What you do with this is that you fold it together again, then tie them out, see it, then bring it to the front here, bring it to the front here, and tack it. See, I've tacked it here. Then you can use your crinoline. You can turn your crinoline. See, I'm turning it, turning my crinoline. Turn it. Bring it to the front. Then join the mouth at the front. You can see the next thing is that this gap I'm going to design with my crinoline, then use my V-net on it. Stack the mouth as we have been doing it before. Tack the mouth. You can see it. Then what we are going to do now is that we fix this lemon inside it. Up. Tack it at the front. Take your ugum. Put ugum at the edge of it. You can use your wax candle to do it. Then tuck it inside it. You tack it at the front. You can see it. You can see it. Then I'm going to turn this remaining crinoline for design. For it to stand, you can use your full gum or your wax candle gum, put it at the edge. Then tuck it inside again. I'm going to use this to create a design like this. You can see it. Then now we are going to fix V-net on it, the mouth of the V-net. Tie the mouth of the V-net. See it, you bring it together. Then these are our hats. Fixing my net now. See the way I'm doing it. I tuck it inside. Please, thank you. Like, share, and subscribe.